Hey y'all, Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening Canning Recipes, a little bit of everything, and I'm fixing to show you how to make a delicacy here down in the south for your greens, your turnip greens, your collard greens, mustard greens, even chard, spinach, which is what I'll use this on. And many of you might not know, but Greg, my hubs, he is part Hispanic. He has a Mohawk Indian and a Hispanic heritage with a little bit of Scottish in him. So he likes his hot pepper foods. I do can jalapenos every year. I've canned about 4 or 5 pints, a couple of quarts this year. He loves them. And guys, they are shelf stable forever. So today we're going to make just a basic vinegar pepper sauce for your greens. Stay tuned. So we're starting out here with some of the peppers I picked this morning. Now guys, I know I planted serranos, but these look like they're more like Tabasco. They hadn't fully ripened to the red, but you can use any kind of green pepper, and I'm using the smaller ones, and look what I'm going to put them in. We have had these cork top bottles in our back room for a very long time, probably a couple of years. So this is what I'm going to use today. So to get started, guys, and I don't know how many peppers I have of the little ones, but that's okay because I have some bigger ones that I can also use. I have 2 cups of white distilled vinegar. You can also use apple cider vinegar. And then I have about a tablespoon of kosher salt. I don't know that I'm going to use it all. And I'm going to heat this up. And we want it to get just a little warm before we put it into my handy dandy little corked bottle. So let's go ahead and get this going. Now some people use sugar for this recipe. I want to use salt because I want it to be shelf stable. And I'm also going to put a clove of garlic in there. And I'm going to go ahead and take the stems off my peppers while my vinegar is heating. And I am going to fill this bottle up. Now I can either pick these little stems off myself and maybe get some of this pepper juice on my hands, but I'm going to use my scissors. And we're just going to cut the little ends off and keep on filling. So it's at the end of the harvest, guys, so I only have enough to do 1 bottle. I'm going to go ahead and add my vinegar and water, or my vinegar and salt. I'm used to doing my pickled peppers. And we're going to fill this up. So I had enough to do 2. I still left some peppers on that plant out there, so I might get a little bit more before all is said and done. I'm going to seal this off. And you know what? I'm going to let that sit for a couple of weeks, and then we will have some beautiful pepper sauce for our greens, our turnip greens, our collard greens, black-eyed peas, your beans, in just a jiffy. Guys, this was a very quick recipe. She's looking quite beautiful, isn't she? So, what a great Christmas gift, guys. If you have a very large harvest of your serrano peppers, of your Tabasco peppers, of any other kind of pepper plant, these bottles are quite cheap. Now I had these back in the pantry, like I said, for a couple of years, but Amazon has these on sale for like 19 bucks. So start thinking of good Christmas gifts with some of your harvest. We will keep this because Greg will eat it up to pieces, and we will put it on a little bit of everything. This is going to last us forever. I've got some more jalapenos over there that I have to go can. I did a video a couple of years ago. Go check it out. It's very quick. It's like a 2 to 3 minute video. But anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this Southern delicacy. If you go to any little greasy spoon cafe here in Texas that serves your greens, and it's green season right now, you're going to find a shaker bottle of this sitting on the table. Take care. God bless. Hit subscribe. We'll see you later.